Meet the Smart Talking Weather Station, a compact offline assistant powered by TinyTTS. The weather dashboard shows current conditions, a short-term forecast, and a clear 3-day outlook. You can also hear the current time or let the station read an inspirational quote, all with on-device speech.
Current weather in London, 14.0 degrees, scattered clouds, feels like 13.9 degrees, humidity is 95% and pressure is 999 hPa. Today's forecast for London, morning at 9 o'clock, 14 degrees and overcast clouds, afternoon at 15 o'clock, 12 degrees and overcast clouds, evening at 21 o'clock, 12 degrees and scattered clouds. 3-day forecast for London, tomorrow 13 degrees, light rain.
This voice is generated entirely on device. No MP3 files, no cloud services. The CrowPanel collects weather data and prepares short text messages. TinyTTS converts this text into natural speech in real time, even without an internet connection. Getting started is simple. Flash the ready-made firmware, send Wi-Fi settings with the setup tool, and your station is ready within minutes. Download the software using the link below. This is your fully offline, voice-enabled weather companion, powered by TinyTTS.